everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Marie from Sunshine's Original, and I have a song I'd like to dedicate to Doreen Rook of Oohlala Vintage Treasures. Happy birthday to you. Do-do-do-do-do-do. You say it's your birthday. Do-do-do-do-do-do. We're gonna have a good time. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday to you. Y'all, I combined all of those together, little teeny tiny snippets, so I can't get sued over copyrights, right? Well, it might not even be Doreen's birthday today. It might be past by now because, Doreen, you are so slow at getting those packages opened and looking at them. So, but if it is your birthday, I hope you have an amazing one. You absolutely deserve it. Take a week, take the month, and just celebrate you and your life. If it is past your birthday, I hope it was amazing, and I hope it's still going amazing. So this is a gift for Doreen for her birthday. The last journal that I made using all of her kit, I know that she really loved that, and she asked me a lot of questions about it, and that was when I decided I knew what I would do for her birthday. So I've made her one, a little bit of a smaller version, but I'm going to share that with y'all. So the bag, y'all would be so proud of me. I'm not much of a sewer. I sew straight lines. I sew pretties on tags, and got ink on my hand, on tags and stuff like that, but I never sew things. So I have this huge drawstring bag, and it wasn't going to work for the journal. So I took it entirely apart, cut it down, lined it with lace, re-sewed it, and did the drawstrings as sari silk. Replaced the strings with sari silk. And y'all, I know it was very simple for those of y'all that do sew. Y'all are thinking, oh wow, that was, come on. But for me, you know, I'm proud of myself. I'm so proud, and I made no boo-boos. All right, so let's have a look. So on the front here, I have made a rag bow, and I attached a cameo. The cameo is detachable if Doreen wants to detach it, and so is the bow. I know how Doreen likes to detach things and put them in areas around her room and stuff like that, so she might want to take that off. I don't know, but I just thought that that was really pretty there, and it's really, really long. And I think it's just really pretty. All right, let's open this up. Oh, I see the journal poking through. So this journal is very similar to the one that I made, what, a month ago, something like that. But I can never do things exact because I have all of these ideas running through my head that makes me say, no, let's try this, let's try that, let's try it this way, you know, and so things purposely come out different. But I did want to do it very similar because I knew that Doreen did like that other one. So didn't mean for it to be this thick. I always say that, and here we are. All right, so this is how that side looks. There's the top, there's the back. Look at all this hanging out. Let's see, let me put all that in there, and here is the bottom. I hope that y'all can see that, how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. All right, so I did do a priority mail envelope on the front, and I made a snippet here. Got some sparkly sequin goodies. It is lined all the way around with one of Doreen's frames from her kits, and I'm not going to name specific kits because there's not a kit of hers that I didn't use in here. All of this come from all different parts of her kit, okay? And so that does come out. Got a big beautiful journaling card, and you could certainly write on the back here if you'd like. I want it to be pretty from every direction, so I've got some pretty blings on the back side of that. Okay, and So this actually folds open this way before we fold it open the other way. This side, I've got another pocket lined with her washi and another snippet that I made. And I printed off some of her stuff onto cream colored fabric and then cut it out, and I've got those up here along with some other pieces. I love that crystal pearl heart there, and got all of these pearls and pieces of lace in there. And then that comes out, and again it's lined with her ribbons behind a really pretty piece of polka dotted fabric here. Let me take that out. Got the back lined, and you open up windows to a surprise journaling place. I thought that was just such a cute idea. If Doreen's like me, she probably doesn't journal, and she just has the stuff just for pretties and for looks. But nonetheless, if she wants to journal, she has a really cool little secret place to jot some stuff down right there. I mean, you looking at it, who would know, you know? All right, and so here, over here is the official front. Unofficial front, official front. How gorgeous is this, y'all? Doreen's paper up underneath here is the rose ganache satin, and I've lined it with pearls. I know that she loves. I've got some silk flowers here with pearls, and I've just shredded up some fabric. I've got laces, more fabric, more laces, and I've got pearls sewn to a lot of the fabrics, pearl beads, and I've got some antique crystals here. Barely see them. And then I've got some pieces of fabric hiding up underneath here. They're all just, everything's just kind of peekabooing, giving you little hints of what's there. Get that off. There we go. And I just love it, and I really hope that Doreen does too. So, what is this cute little bow up here? Little pearl bow. What could that be? It's another tag. How cute is that though? Her paper with that little pearl bow that says, "This is Doreen's." You don't have to write Doreen's name. It says it already. This is Doreen's. Alrighty. Let's open this up. Well, you know what? Let's go here into this pocket. If y'all watch my other video, y'all know I have a pocket here and a pocket there. So in this pocket, I've got another writing space with one of Doreen's bows, a little metal grommet here with a little piece of bling on top. And then I also made this side pretty with a piece of torn fabric made into a bow. That way, again, no matter how you look at it, it's pretty, right? Okay. Over here, we've got the Waterfall Journal that I did. Same technique of the last journal that I did, but the decor looks different. I've chippy painted the frame and melted pink wax, and I have pearls and sequins all in here. And let's pull this for those of y'all that didn't see. All of it's backed onto this lace dyed folder, and this is raised script that I embossed it with. How pretty is that? Okay. Some of Doreen's gorgeous papers. Oohlala Vintage Traders gorgeous papers. Here I've got a nice and rusty paper clip with some fabric pieces and a pretty little dangle there. Got some little cards that I've embellished. Don't you start with me, phone. And on this side, I've got another postcard. So let me put that back real quick so I don't want to forget where everything is. Okay. That nice crunchy paper there. Okay. I made a bunch of pockets with her ribbons and her ruffles. And in that, I've just got a bunch of little cute little digitals of hers that I cut out and tucked in. You could write on the back if you wanted. A pretty little tag and one of those pretty bows. And that's how the pocket looks that I made. I think that is adorable. So Tammy of Embellished the Story did this tutorial on a, what was it, a prescription bag? Is that what she called it? Or a money envelope, bank envelope, where she used the ruffle page. And that just made me fall in love with that ruffle thing. And now I can't get enough of it. All right, so I made this stuffed pocket from a coffee dyed doily, paper doily, and I've got this really pretty ribbon here of Oohlala Vintage Treasures kit, her bows kit, and again, just a bunch of really pretties from her digitals, just stuffed all in here. And you can always write on the backs of these, except for the ones that I've lined that you can't, but a lot of them are white and you can certainly write on the back. This one I topped with 2 of her bows and a pearl, and I made a pocket out of one of the ruffles, and we have that here, and I even made another little pocket right here that something could be put in. Not, you know, just depends on if she wants to slide something there or not. Do I have that down here? It's hard to remember where you put everything. And I don't guess it really matters as long as in the end it still looks pretty and everything is there. I don't suppose. Okay. Oh, a little tiny piece of lace. Some more of her really pretty papers. Oh my goodness. Got some little pearlized pink pretties here tied to the signature. Over here I have used a few of her digitals, smaller digitals, to make a little tuck space. Just put that little card right there. Got some pearls. I just want y'all to see that. Hanging off there. So pretty. So pretty. Rose applique. And on the rose applique I have just a few little snippets of lace and an antique pink button hanging off of that, just because I just think it's adorable. Here I've got a huge lace snippet pocket, and in the pocket I have a piece of paper that's been folded and tied with some antique lace, just because I thought that was really pretty. I picked up this piece of paper wondering what I'm going to do with it, and then this is what my heart told me to do. And you can undo it, open it, and write in it, another secret writing place. And here we've got another card with one of my metal pieces that I sort of shabbied up. And if any of y'all know Casting Crowns, this is one of the songs that they sing there. A little hymnal. Another loaded doily pocket. And this time I also have one of her pockets here, and then her like back pocket here, and I put one of her handkerchiefs coming out of it, and then a little teeny tiny piece of handkerchief coming out of the side there. And I made a video showing my process on how to make this envelope, little tag envelope, and a couple more of her little digitals in there. Undo, there we go, okay. Okay, so I saw this embroidery hoop in her digitals, and I don't embroidery much, but I do enjoy it, and I'm okay with it. So I thought, I'm gonna make this puffy heart that I make. And so I am just making this puffy heart, and all is going well until I realized you cannot embroider this close together on a piece of paper, Marie, and it not rip and come apart. Well, I do think it turned out super cute. I ended up having to do it completely separate, and just let me tell y'all, I will never do this again, at least not in this manner. Oh no. Oh no. This was a huge pain, but I do like how it come out, and I put this cute little encrusted bow right there. So I give Doreen a little piece of my love and heart, happy birthday heart thing. And she's a wonderful lady, and she certainly deserves the love. All right, here is my stuff pocket, and I showed y'all this on one of my more recent videos, how I made that. And got a little stuffed tag here. Got her cameo piece, little napkin, just a bunch of little stuff all in this pocket that I made. If y'all are interested in how I made it, go back and watch that video. Alright, and last but certainly not least, I love this. I love this. It's an envelope I made, and I sewed on two antique buttons here. And I did the tying a little bit different. And in here, I've just got some, I've lined it with the lace paper, and I've just got some really pretty pieces from her kit, and a postcard with a little tag that I've decked out, a little rusty paper clip, and a pretty little rose, and some lace, and a little, says Divine. I think that's just adorable. Okay. But I do think that I went out with a bang here on this page. I love this page. I love the lace collaging I have up here and up underneath here, over here, and along with her paper. And then this is just, you know what, the piece de resistance. I just think it's really pretty. I really, really like it. And I hope that Doreen will too. And I hope that this conveys a little bit about how special that I think that she really is. I hope that she knows that, and that she feels that about herself. All right then, Doreen, we love you, and again, happy birthday, the happiest birthday. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all down in my comments, leave a happy birthday greeting or something to Doreen. Till next time, bye.